Hello everybody, today we're doing cat-cow. So we're going to start with our hands in front of us, underneath our shoulders, and we're going to put our knees underneath our hips. Today we're going to start with cat. So we're going to go all the way down, we're going to arch our backs and look through our shoulders. Take a few deep breaths here. And then we're going to go to cow. So we're going to do the opposite. We're going to face upwards and lower our stomachs. And we're going to take a few deep breaths here. Then we're going to repeat. We're going to go to cat again. Take a couple deep breaths here. We're going to go to cow again, and we're going to put our stomach towards the ground. Did you know that cows actually have 4 stomachs so they can digest grass? That's crazy. We're going to take one more breath here. That's all for today. Thank you for joining me. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.